I think by now you should have a USA bank account. But if you don't have a USA bank account, no offense, because we are going to fix that in this very video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the best platform you can get a free USA bank account from. So this platform is one of the easiest and simplest website right now in Africa. You can get a USA bank account. A USA bank account is very important if you are a business person, if you are a freelancer, or if you're an affiliate marketer. Even if you have a YouTube channel, you are a content creator, whatever you do at all, you need the USA bank account for your daily transaction. Because right now, most of our gigs and transaction comes majorly from the outside country. And one of the most used currency right now is the US currency, which is the dollar currency, right? But the platform I'm about to share with you right now will give you access to a free USA bank account you can use for your daily transaction. Easy peasy. Why I recommend this platform? Because this platform is very easy and very simple to use. Their platform is easy to navigate. You don't have any barriers, you don't have any AD charges, and they have so many benefits and so many advantages which I know can be a benefit to you. And one of these advantages is that you get your money right in your bank account at the best black market rate, right? And number two is that you have your bank account immediately once your account is created. You have a USA bank account immediately once your account is created, right? I'm going to be showing you my USA bank account right here. You're going to see that here right now is my US bank account. As you can see right now, this is my name, Evan Sonoma, lead bank, right? This is my account number, routing number. My account type is personal checking, and this is the account address, right? And this is my US bank account. Now you're going to be having this in less than 10 minutes of creating this account, right? After watching this video, you'll be having your personal USA bank account you can use to transact, and you can even use to link your PayPal account, right? And other advantage this platform has is that you have your money immediately you transact, right? Once you withdraw your money from this bank to your local bank account, you have your money instantly. There is no delay at all. Now, the first thing you have to do is to click on the first link in my description. I'll be leaving it right there. Once you click on that link, you're going to be landing this very page right here. So what you are going to do is very simple. You're going to click on create account. But before I show you how you can create your account, I'm going to be telling you what you need to create your account. And I'm going to be walking you through my own personal dashboard right now. But this is my dashboard right now. And as you can see, I have a $5 right here in my dashboard right now. Click here right now. I'm going to see this is my Nigeria wallet and this is my US wallet. Hmm? So I can easily convert this $5 to Nigeria, which is Naira, or I can also withdraw this money directly into my Nigeria bank account. If you want to do that, I'll just click on transfer right here. Click on transfer. I'm going to add my new bank. If I don't have bank right here, if I can add the new bank right here, I can just select the kind of bank I need. I can just select OP. OP, this is OP right now. So once I put my account number right here, I'm going to save it. See, this is my name, Evans Onoma. I will just save it right here. Very simple. I'm going to click on save. So once this account is saved right now, I can easily withdraw this $5 into this my OP account, and I will see this money immediately once the money is being withdrawn. Right. So I'm not here to withdraw this money. I'm here to show you how you can create your own personal USA bank account right now. So let's go ahead and create our own personal US bank account right now. So once you click on the first link in the description or the comment section, I'm going to be landing this very place right now. Remember, you can get this very app. It's called the Cleva app. In case you don't know, you can get it on Play Store, or you can also get it on App Store in your mobile devices. Now, once you click on create an account instead of open an account, they're going to ask you, tell us who are you. Yeah, you can just create an individual, which is if you're a freelancer or creator, or you can register, you can create a registered business account. Right now, what I advise that you create an individual account because you are not a business entity. But if you are a business entity, please go ahead and create a business account. Click on individual and create account, guys. I'm going to ask you for your name. They're going to ask for your full name, your phone number, your email address, and your password. So once you pass that, you are going to be having a fresh account with them, right? But first, if you're using a mobile device, I will advise you to go and get their app on Play Store or App Store so that it can give you an easier and a smoother way to register an account with them. Because if you go to their website, they're going to ask you to at least download their app on Play Store or App Store so that you can have a smoother experience with them. So please go ahead and download their app so that you can have a smoother experience with them. So once you create your account, once you put in your name, your email address, and your password, your account is going to be created. Right now, these are the things you need to create a fresh account with Clever. Number one, you need your Gmail account. Number two, you need your phone number. Now, the next thing you want to do is to go to your KYC, which is knowing your customer. This is where your government issue ID card come in. Now, before you can have a US account, please make sure you have a government issue ID card. It can be your PVC or your driving license or your international passport. So please make sure you have any of these at your disposal because you'll be needing this to verify your KYC before you can have your USA bank account. And make sure if you are a PT honest, the name you are using to register is the same as the one in your ID card. This is important because if you're having a different name in your ID card and in your account, I don't think your account will be verified. So please make sure the name in your voter's card or your passport or your driving license is corresponding to the name you're using to create a new Clever account. So once this is done, your KYC is verified. The next thing you'll be having is your bank account ready, right? You'll be having a USA bank account just like this one you are seeing right here, right? As you can see right now, the dollar rate right now is so low. I don't know why Naira is going down. It's $1 to 1,452 Naira right now. So I don't know why Naira is falling down right now. I don't know why Naira is crumbling down. Please, Naira, please fight back. Please fight back. So this is how you can create a Clever account. I have a video before where I show you step by step, walking you through the process, right? If you want to watch that video for a better and a clearer explanation, I will leave that video anywhere around here. I will also leave it in the description so that you can have access to that video for a full-blown explanation. Now, Clever is one of the best platforms you can have a US bank account if you want to create a US bank account. Now, you can go ahead by clicking the link right now in the description of this video or in the comment section to create a free Clever account and a free US account right now. So if you have any questions for me, if you have any concern, if you have any question regarding this very video, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be there to reply to all your comments. And if you find value from this video, please do well to subscribe to this channel and turn all bell notification because I'm going to be dropping more amazing videos around this very topic and this very channel. I'm going to be seeing you in my next video. So bye for now.